loving mother, my superstar, reason of my excel, only you are. Without you, world has no attraction. Your sacrifices are beyond calculation. Charming lady, my biggest supporter, you hold the whole family together. You are my first and best friend. Our sweet relationship has no end. I love you from the day I was born. Without you, world is bed of thorn. Nothing is precious than your kiss. Your name is favorite word of my lips. Feeling of comfort belongs to your arms. Without your face, world has no charms. Your pure love is beautiful than flowers. Like beacon, you lighten up my future. Your softened touch and beautiful smile, I couldn't forget them for a short while. Wise, strong, and kind-hearted person, what I am today, you are the reason. Your presence always calmed my heart. With your company, I always felt comfort. Your role is more essential than others. You are hurricane in your perfect power. You conquered challenges successfully. One who always tried to make me happy. Always prompted me to grow in my life. In life, you have taught me how to strive. Your purest love is heartbeat of home, which always played role like backbone. My loving mother, my superstar, reason of my excel, only you are. Best Baba of the world. Baba, for me you were an inspiration. Nothing was possible without your dedication. I was lucky that you were my Baba. You always stood my side in each situation. Your love for me was true and unconditional. God had made it such precious relation. It was your love even when you scolded. I missed you much on any occasion. Each your gesture indicated me to right path. Single word of you for me was a lesson. Today what I am, it's just because of you. To make me successful was your passion. Inherited your wisdom as a gift by you. Like light, I took your advice and vision. You had taught me all nitty-gritty of life. You wanted to make me a strong person. If today I am standing firmly on my foot, for it you had gave me so many reasons. You always supported and encouraged me. Baba, you helped me to touch destination. I tried to be like you throughout my life. An awesome person where ended perfection. You strengthen me in each weak moments. For all my problems, only you had solution. Love, care, tolerance and hard working. These words are less than your definition. May God accept all your good deeds. May God place you on high rank in heaven. I was lucky that you were my Baba. You always stood my side in each situation.